Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall pandas and rebuild dependencies, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall pandas, start by opening your command line interface. For Windows, search for command prompt in the start menu. For macOS, open terminal from your applications. Next, check if pandas is currently installed by typing pip show pandas and pressing enter. This command displays the version of pandas if it's installed. To proceed with uninstallation, type pip uninstall pandas and hit enter. You will be prompted to confirm the uninstallation. Type Y for yes and press enter to complete the process. After uninstalling, it's good practice to verify that all dependencies are correctly managed. Run pip check to identify any broken dependencies in your environment. If there are broken packages, consider reinstalling them. To rebuild pandas dependencies, type pip install pandas and press enter. This command will reinstall pandas along with all necessary dependencies. If you want to specify a particular version, use pip install pandas x.x.x, replacing xxx with your desired version number. Once the installation is complete, verify the installation by typing pip show pandas again. This will confirm that pandas is installed successfully. Finally, run your Python scripts to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues, consult the documentation for further troubleshooting steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.